What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 43 cents. We're up about 1.4 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 3.37 billion. 24-hour volume 706 million. Bit of an increase here in 24-hour volume. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Matic on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple of Elliott wave counts. The first one is the one I've been looking at here, where this is your impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4. That could take you all the way down to like 17 to about 25 cents. And the other scenario is that this was a shallow retracement for a wave 2, and we've already put in our wave 1. Wave 2, we're looking at that corrective wave 3, wave 4, and the final wave 5 that could bring you down to that original price target in between about 28 to 30 cents for our friend Matic. If we look at Bitcoin, if you watch my Bitcoin video, I do think we're going through a wave 3. Let me put this back open to the 1 hour time frame. We're going through a wave 3. We're looking for a corrective wave 4. So it really depends on how high Matic retraces here. If we come all the way up to this box, then I think you're looking at that wave 2. But if we put in a shallow retracement, this could be your wave 3, and we may only come down to 28 to 30 cents for Matic. However, with BTC here, if we were to drop down to 17 to 19K, let's say from the current price we come down to 17K, that's a 21% drop. So if we look at Matic here, from the current price, usually an altcoin is going to double Bitcoin. Not always, but if Bitcoin drops 20%, an altcoin will drop 40%. So if we look at a 40% drop for Matic, you're looking at about 25 cents. It does line up with support. So 25 cents could be a potential price target if we do bounce all the way up into this box and create that wave 2. As I had mentioned here, I've taken my Fibonacci from the top of wave 1 to the bottom. And if we're looking at a wave 2, usually it's going to retrace in between the 0.5 to 0.786, at a minimum the 0.382. But if we fail to get above the 236 here and we start to roll over, what we could be looking at here is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, corrective wave 4, and your final wave 5 that could bring you down for a less steep correction in between about 28 and 30 cents in my opinion. But as of right now, it does look like we're going through a corrective structure. We put in a 5-wave move, wave 1, wave 2, largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, that final wave 5. So we may be putting in a WXY, where you come up and you have your WXY correction, and within the WXYs are ABCs. So if we go like this, you have a little ABC right here. Somewhere in here you have an ABC, and then you're looking for one more ABC. That is one of the potential corrections. There is also ABC corrections, which are 5-3. So you would have a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave move down and another 5-wave move up. Really what I want to see here is how high we retrace. If Matic consolidates here and we drop lower, then I do think this is a wave 3 and we bottom out around 20 to 30 cents. But if we push all the way up, especially if we push past the 382 in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, I do think you're looking at a wave 2 correction followed by a larger wave 3, corrective wave 4, and a wave 5 that could take you anywhere down in between about 18 to about 25 cents in my opinion. As I had mentioned with Matic, we have that strong support of the bottom of the wave 4 in between 28 to 30 cents. And when you have a large ABC correction after a 5-wave move, usually the C wave is going to land at the support of the wave 4 or prior to the wave 4. So the support of the wave 4 in between 28 to 30 cents. Prior of the wave 4, your next level of support is in between that 18 to 25 cent price target. However, from the current price down to about 18 cents is another 58-60% drop. So that is quite a significant drop for Matic. Definitely a possibility here, but we'll have to see. As I mentioned, in many cases your wave 5 is the same length as your wave 1. So if we take the wave 1 length all the way down to the top of the corrective wave 4, that could take you down here. Yeah, right down to about 30 to 28 cents. So that could be the bottom here. We may see a wick down to take us down to 25 cents before bottoming out here for Matic. So really, I'm just watching this correction to see if it's going to be shallow. If it is going to be a shallow correction, we failed to break above the 236. I would expect this to be a wave 3, and we're looking for that final wave 5. to take us in between 28 to 30 cents. But if we see a big bounce here and we come up in between the 5 and the 0.786, then we're looking at a 1-2, a larger wave 3, corrective wave 4, and a potential wave 5 to take you down in between about 18 to 25 cents, in my opinion. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. We do have a major bullish divergence here. We're creating lower lows, higher lows in the RSI. Can be an early signal that the bulls are gaining strength. However, in a downtrend, these tend to be invalidated. So it's just something to keep a close eye on, in my opinion. If we come up, we break the 236, we head to the 0.382, especially if we head up to the 0.5, you see some volume step in. I do think that's a corrective wave 2. But if we continue to have low volume and we just consolidate here, or we only push up to the 0.382, we get rejected, that's when we could be looking at wave 3, and we're looking for that final wave 5, in my opinion. I am looking to enter a short for Matic. I'm still waiting here to see if we're going to push up a little bit more, or if we're simply going to consolidate here and see the continuation of the downtrend. That's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members. We have buy and take profit zones if you'd like to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions, and over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Mostly I've been trading Matic, waiting for some re-entries here. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.